Welcome to Rome Tips. If you're enjoying this content, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below, and remember, this is just my personal experience. In this video, we're taking a look at Thomas Cook, accessible through their website at thomascook.com. While the name Thomas Cook might evoke memories of a once prominent travel agency, it's essential to understand the current landscape of this brand. The original Thomas Cook Company, unfortunately, ceased operations in 2019. However, the brand has since been revived online. Exploring thomascook.com today reveals a platform that offers a range of travel services, including flights, hotels, and holiday packages. It's crucial to research and understand the ownership and operational structure of this revived entity before making any bookings. While the website bears the familiar Thomas Cook name, it operates under new management. Understanding the history of Thomas Cook is helpful in navigating the current offerings. The original company, founded in the 19th century, was a pioneer in the travel industry. This legacy adds a layer of complexity to the modern Thomas Cook brand. Potential travelers should carefully compare the services and pricing offered on thomascook.com with other travel providers to ensure they are getting the best value. It's worth delving deeper into the reviews and experiences of customers who have used the revived Thomas Cook platform. This can offer valuable insights into the quality of service, reliability, and customer support provided. Don't hesitate to consult online travel forums and review websites before making a decision. A well-informed traveler is a prepared traveler. Finally, remember to always exercise due diligence when booking travel online. Compare prices, read the fine print, and ensure you understand the terms and conditions before confirming any reservations. While the Thomas Cook name carries a historical weight, the current online platform represents a new chapter, and understanding that distinction is crucial for a positive travel experience.